Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It's Sam HDLFX right here. New video. So let's get started. We took a beautiful trade today on gold, as you can see here. Beautiful, beautiful trade. So of course, the logic. So we have for value gap right here, consequence confirmation, and we have the premium. So when we go, let's go below time frame. We have here a beautiful fair value gap. Look at that. Respected. Didn't close above it. Then boom, move up. Why? Because this is respected. So what does mean when it's gonna respect the consequence of Cauchy for the fair value gap, which is the next candle, it's adjusted the shoulder swing, all right, or just to get the high, that's it. And we have a beautiful and we are sorry in the premium. So that's it. Boom, entry, you know, come down. So you can see on the 1 hour, like beautiful, beautiful pattern. We call it the ABC pattern. All right, A, B, C. You know, take the high, because accumulation, manipulation, then the distribution. Then come down, close below this high, retest it, boom, melt. And here we have the ABC pattern, and this at the same time we have it's gonna create a breaker. It's very easy, like boom, close below. Sometimes when it's gonna create a breaker, we need to close below. But the ABC pattern is so fucking strong. Sort of the word. We have breaker, of course, minus sign. Why? Because we're gonna change the statement. You feel me? From by program to sub program, and sometimes we're gonna when we create this we, let's say the change of statement, we have a for value gap. This is we call it's another model, but the same thing as the unicorn model. Yeah, it's ICT, some of the ICT tools, we call it the unicorn model. We have like overlapping of a bunch of stuff like grab of liquidity. I don't know how we call it in other concept, but in ICT we call it the total soup. We have the total soup, boom, trade higher, get this liquidity, come back, close below, change of statement, boom, from the buy side, I mean the buy program to the shift to the sub program. It's very easy, all right? So let's delete this back here. So this is how I took my trade. Very beautiful. And as I told you, using the weekly fractal, we have the weekly open. All right. Create the high of the week. Start trade lower. Here, the smart money, they're trying to accumulate the sells. It's very easy. Each up candle, the smart money they're selling. So the retired, they're just buying, thinking that the market's gonna keep going up. You feel me? And here, they don't know that the small money they're just creating, or let's say accumulating the cells. After that, boom, move the market down and get them from their possession. So it's very simple. Here, the expansion, then boom, Friday, then the close. I don't know that it's gonna reach this though. Maybe it's gonna reach only here. I don't know. So it depends. We're gonna see. Cause me, I'm gonna trade. I'm gonna close my trade maybe on Wednesday or Thursday. London close. All right. So yeah, that's it. This is my fractal, and as I told you, 70% of the high is gonna create on Tuesday. So I'm gonna explain right here, and the same thing with the news, because I use the news because the news, the high impact news, it's gonna, let's say, inject like that. I don't know which term I'm gonna use, but high news, high impact news with a red folder, okay, using the forex factory. So it's gonna inject or give You know what I mean? Like give volatility to the market, or let's say bring volume to the market. So that's why we're gonna see a big move. So news, I'm gonna show you right here. All right, we have Monday. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, wait, Thursday, and Friday. So here, wait a minute. Monday, we don't have news. Tuesday, there's no news. Wednesday, yep, one, there is news. Thursday, there is news. Friday, there is news. What does mean here? So I'm gonna explain. Okay, beautiful. So news right here. Now we're gonna predict. Because here in trading industry, sorry, you need to predict the market. You know what I mean? So people that said, no, we don't predict, we react, they're a loser, all right? They trade no logic. Call them, they're no logic trader, no logic, no narrative, you feel me? So here, there is no news. Monday and Tuesday, what's gonna happen? Very easy. We're gonna accumulate the market. There is only accumulation, all right? Tuesday, the same thing. Wednesday, boom, manipulation. All right. Then start trade lower. Tuesday, boom, expansion. Friday, distribution. It's very easy. After accumulation, we have manipulation, then the expansion, distribution. It's very, very easy. And by the way, as you can see here in my case, let's say this week, we have small news on Tuesday. It's not a high impact, but I see that there is a volume because the high created on Tuesday. So as you can see here, Monday we have this accumulation. Then Tuesday, boom, create the high, trade lower, as you can see. Then we are here now. Okay, this is the ABC pattern, and now we are here. I'm expecting and predicting tomorrow move is gonna be like that. Trade below. You feel me? Trade below the weekly open and melt. That's what I'm looking for. All right. So that's it. And this prediction, I call it, using the weekly fractal, or let's say the weekly profile, we call it the mid-week reversal. Mid-week reversal. Why? It's the mid-week reversal. Depends. When it's Wednesday, when we have the high impact news start from Wednesday till Friday, we call it midweek reversal. Because why? The first day we're just accumulating, then boom, manipulation reversal. All right, so that's it. I hope I'm explaining like a pro. You feel me? Logic, baby. Trade the algo. So yeah, that's it. That's for today. We have the weekly open. Boom, boom. Accumulation right here. Boom, same here. Manipulation. We have a breaker here. Some of my, let's say my favorite ICT tool that I use, which is the breaker. And there is another model called the unicorn model. So you can search on YouTube. The ICT unicorn model is I'm explaining this like breaker overlapping with the consequence caution. Sorry for the breaker, and the same thing with some fair value gap right here. And the main thing is we have a Toro soup. All right, so as you can see here, there is a beautiful Toro soup. So this is the trade that I took today. And yeah, by the way, I'm holding till let's say Thursday. Well, I don't know. It depends on the news. I need to see. So if I'm trading below the weekly open, I'm gonna hold. You know what I mean? So maybe Thursday or Wednesday, if I got a beautiful trade or let's say a beautiful profit, I'm gonna hold here Thursday London close. So yeah, this is about the gold. Now let's move to Euro USD. So, by the way, I did not take Euro USD trade, but I'm gonna So as you can see, by the way, this is the red line for people they're watching my video. Go watch the previous video, let's say the last video. I put this line, we was here, then I told you that the market is gonna go up, touch this red line, and move down. So that's it. Now I'm gonna tell you the technique. All right, we have here a beautiful value gap overlapping, with let's say this. We have this, by the way. Wait a minute. We are on the premium. You feel me? So consequential caution for value gap and beautiful. Look at that. How much this candle respect. By the way, it's a daily. Look at this daily. Respect this level. Did not close above it. All right. Look at that. Respected. Because as ICT said, like body tell the story, wicks make the damage. All right. Boom, respected, melt. All right, this is on the daily. By the way, let's go to the 4 hour. It's very, very, very strong. All right, you see, this is the BC. We have here buy side imbalance, sell side inefficient. And by the way, it's a sell side, all right, because it's CB. It's not a BC. We have here a beautiful CB. Sell side imbalance, buy side inefficient. We have here beautiful for value gap with this consequence caution. Look at this. Beautiful. Touch it, bro. Touch it to the tick. And then boom, melt. You feel me? So that's it. Here the 4 hour. And on the same thing, we have another thing overlapping with this fib OTE. Alright? Look at this, the golden area. I call this the golden area from 0.6 to 0.7. Look at that, bro. Stop playing with me, bro. We trade the algo. That's the algo, baby. It's very easy. Like, bro, that's magic. You feel me? And of course, after touching the higher time frame PD array from the 4 hour till the daily, it depends on which time frame you love to trade or you like to trade. After that, you're gonna look for me. It's a risky trade, all right. So you're gonna look for some of the ICT tools that's gonna show you the change of statement. Let's say from here, from the buy program to the sell program. We have here beautiful breaker. Wait a minute. All right, breaker, of course, with a minus sign. Oh yeah, like we're in sell program now because we have the change of statement right here. Boom, consequence caution, boom, melt, and the same thing here. We are above the weekly open. So what does mean? We are at the best range to sell because you need to sell the high. You know what I mean? Best range to sell. So yeah, that's very easy, and it's not easy, by the way. It's difficult, but that's it, bro. It's all about the algo. We trade the algo. We trust the algo. HDL effects. Trust the algo. So yeah, that's it. That's for today video. So yeah, when we like our position took the profit, I'm gonna put another video to explain how to close your trade. You know what I mean? Why you're gonna close your trade there. For me, example, I don't think that this is gonna reach this goal. Let's say the draw of liquidity or this sell side liquidity. Maybe it's gonna stop right here. You know what I mean? Because here we have another change of statement. By the way, we are in a sell or we are bearish order flow right here. But I don't know. By the way, here we are above the weekly open, so of course need to trade below it. Like we have a beautiful expansion here. And by the way, look at this, high impact news. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe when it's like here, when I see the price reach this price here, like 13.965, this level. Oh, let's see how much pips, like for 200 pips, bro. Beautiful, beautiful. It's gonna be a beautiful trade. All right, so maybe I'm gonna close, but yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching, and yeah, don't forget, give me a thumbs up, And don't forget to subscribe. HDL Effects. Thanks for watching and see you next video, folks. Goodbye.